Welcome back to another video. In this video we are gonna work on this beautiful counter here. Since the plastering in the little extension tower is gonna take 3 days to finish, that's quite an extensive work for one video. We are gonna do some other jobs in between, and this counter is up next on the list. We did receive an exciting delivery, which is a new cooktop for us, so we're gonna be replacing that. We're gonna be applying some oil on the counter since it badly needs it, and we're also gonna work in the back there. So let's get started and see exactly what cooktop we received. So Thermomate has sent us this cooker, and as you can see it's a gas one again. Since we're going with the gas, we can't do much electrical because if we use all 4 rings, then electricity grid pretty much goes dead for us. We have max of 4 kilowatts, which is 2 rings at a time. Kind of useless if you really want to cook a lot. Plus also if you have 2 rings running, the rest of the house lights are off. Everything is pretty much maxed out. So our line is quite weak in that sense, so we always will have to go with the gas one. But they also do have induction and electric ones, so you can check out the options. We went with the best seller for the gas ones, which is the black one and not the stainless steel, because it is a lot easier to clean, and the stainless steel, it shows a lot more of the dirt. So I think this one's gonna be really nice and easy to clean. And if you want to check out any of the products yourself, check out the link in the description and use our code to get 10% off and get them while they're hot. So let's get on and install this thing and assemble all the things and see how it fires. But first, let's go remove the old one.
I must say, I do really like the bright color top, but as you can see, this is burned on. We cannot clean it. So this is how it looks, like freshly cleaned. I know it does not look clean, but that's all burned on. So having a bright color cooktop comes with its minuses. So I'm excited with the glass one. I think it's gonna be really easy to clean. So yeah, let's remove the oven to access the top. Has a handle here. I can hold it.
We're plugged in, remember?
Yeah.
So, need to disconnect the old cooker.
It feels kind of sad, like 5 years, and this was our first cooktop that we were having moving around on those tiny leggies.
Yep.
Remember? It was like traveling all around the house.
It's not too tiring either.
No,
It's
we're
just
gonna bring it in.
Yeah,
it's gonna go in the entrance, in the mudroom for summer preserving.
Yep. And cooking for animals as well.
Yeah. Perfect. That looks really stylish.
Modern.
That's when you really want your water to boil. We're so lucky as well. We thought that the top might bother the bottom, but all perfect, all fine. It was like it was calling for it. It was meant to be because it all fits so perfect. So as you saw, it is all installed, and I was a bit scared about the dark color, but I think it actually looks pretty stylish, and I'm really enjoying it. And of course the installation was super simple since we already had the hole cut, and luckily it was the same size. We didn't have to recut anything. So thanks again to Thermomate for sending us a new cooker. And actually I realized that today is Thanksgiving, so kind of Thanksgiving is also all about cooking, so we got a new cooktop. And yeah, let's now continue with the video and put the proper oil that we should have put on the first place. We do have oiled this counter multiple times, but with just oil. So let's now put the proper oil that is meant for countertops, and yeah, see the difference. And then we're gonna move on with the back of the counter. So we are done. That was quick and easy and was desperately calling for it. As you can see now, the color is really popping. Of course it's gonna dry in a bit. It's not gonna be so sparkly, so glossy, and especially that side really needed it. We wanted to do it in summer already, but it was way too hectic, way too much preserving, jam, pickles, and that's why this side has lost most of its oil, because we put hot jars on it. And yeah, that's why it was really needed on that side. But I think now also with the new cooktop, I don't know, looks gorgeous. Let's now move on to the last thing of the video, which we already have done quite a while ago. I think it was in spring. We always thought it's gonna be part of the vlog, and that time came. So let's now go plane and cut some woods to do the back side. That was really ugly looking, and yeah, I wanted to cover it up. So let's see those clips. conclusion to leave it alone because David said he also wants to put a wood on the very bottom. Plus we have to do this whole front, and we are not sure if we want to oil it, if we want to paint it, if we want to lack it. We're not sure. Let us know in the comments down below what you think, but we're gonna leave it for now. Once we do the rest of it, it is not so important to be done. It's not like below the sink that is getting splashed or dirty easily, like you touch a lot of drawers and the cabinets. It's honestly never getting touched, so it's always kind of like hidden away. And yeah, so I guess that's pretty much it with this video. Thanks again to Thermomate for sending us the new cooktop, and with that opportunity also making us do some touch-ups on the counter. And as we said, make sure to check the link down below to get a 10% discount with our code. And also happy Thanksgiving to everyone, whoever is celebrating. And yeah, I was actually planning to do Thanksgiving this year, but time is running away. Christmas is kind of around the corner in 1 month, and we still have so much work to do. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Next up, we're gonna be back in our tower. A lot of work to need to be done. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed, and I'm gonna see you in the next one.